Good morning. This is our report about arts, creativity, literacy, and visual literacy together with my group mate, Laika Vasquez. And introduction. In today's world, communication and understanding go beyond words. Arts, creativity, literacy is the foundation of this, enabling individuals to appreciate diverse art forms like innovatively and express ideas immediately. It fosters critical thinking and emotional intelligence essential for personal and professional growth. Closely linked to this is visual literacy, which is the ability to interpret, analyze, and create meaning from images and visual media. It allows us to decode messages, understand context, and recognize how visual elements communicate information effectively. Together, these literacies empower people to navigate, interpret, and contribute meaningful to our increasingly visual and creative society. Next is the learning objectives. Define literacy and explain its importance and its creativity and arts creativity. Identify and describe key visual elements such as line, shape, color, texture, and size. Interpret and analyze visual images by understanding their meaning and purpose. And what is visual literacy? The ability to find, interpret, evaluate, use, and create images and visual media. It is reading and writing visual languages, move beyond text to understand images, digital media, and art forms. So, visual literacy, ito yung mga, for example, sa storybook, sa storytelling, meron dun mga pictures or scenarios na iniintindi ng mga bata kahit hindi pa sila marunong makapagbasa na, ganito pala yung nangyari, ganun. Next is the visual literacy in arts and creativity. Visual arts, understanding painting, sculpture, and photography and design. Creativity, storytelling through visual understanding, symbolism, and contributing to artistic form. Dito, storytelling through visual understanding, ina-understand nila kung ano yung nangyari dun sa binabasa nila. Kasama na din yung mga pictures doon, kung ano yung nangyari, ganun. Core and creativity visual literacy allows individuals to interpret and make intentional choices about composition, color, and subject matter. Key components of visual literacy. We have observation, seeing details and nuances in imagery. So, ini-imagine nila kung ano yung nangyari doon sa istorya. Seeing details. Na kagaya na sabi ko kanina na ini-imagine muna nila. Like, makakita sila ng pictures. Interpretation, understanding the context and message. Ina-understand nila yung context. Evaluation, critically analyzing the purpose of the visual. And lastly, creation, producing new visual messages and artworks. And that's all from my part. Next reporter will be Laika Vasquez.
Next po is the importance in 21st century. So, dito naman po sa communication, visual often transcend language. So, dito naman po madalas na iniintindihan nila ang mga larawan kahit na magkakaiba ang mga mensahe. So, dito naman po sa critical thinking, encourage questioning and deeper understanding. So, dito naman po, ito yung napapaisip sila kung paano nila mas maunawaan ang mga bagay-bagay. So, dito naman po sa problem solving enhances innovative thinking, and creative engagement. So, dito naman po, nakakatulong ito para makabuo sila ng mga bagong ideya. So, engagement boost confidence and encourage reluctant learners. So, dito naman po sa engagement naman, mas mayroong ng kumpiyansa ang mga bata na matuto at hindi na sila mahirapang communications sa mga tao. So, next po is the building visual literacy skills. So, observe what do you see. So, dito naman po sa kung ano ba yung nakikita ng isang bata sa isang larawan na kung ano ba yung nais nilang iparating. So, yun po. So, ito naman po sa interpret what is the image is telling to you. So, ito po, nakikita po ito ng mga bata kung ano po ba yung pinaparating ng isang mensahe. So, evaluate why was it made. So, and produce own visual expression. So, the conclusion, visual literacy is crucial for navigating modern image-heavy environments. Integrating visual arts and creative literacy promotes holistic learning. So the key takeaway, seeing is not just looking, it is understanding. So that's all po. Thank you for listening po.